Hey everyone, welcome back. After a sunny day, you look in the mirror and bam, the tan has landed. Today, I'm sharing my secrets for removing tan naturally, using simple kitchen ingredients. We're going to brighten up that complexion and get you glowing from within. So let's ditch the harsh chemicals and embrace the power of nature. Are you ready? Let's get glowing. First up, we have a dynamic duo lemon and honey. These two natural ingredients are not only kitchen staples, but also skincare powerhouses. Lemon helps fade dark spots and even out skin tone. Its high vitamin C content acts as a natural bleaching agent, reducing pigmentation and giving your skin a radiant glow. Honey is a humectant, drawing moisture into your skin. It's also packed with antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it perfect for soothing and healing your skin. Mix 1 tablespoon of honey with 1 tablespoon of fresh lemon juice. This combination not only brightens but also hydrates your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Apply this mixture all over your face and any other areas needing tan-removing TLC. Make sure to avoid the eye area as lemon juice can be quite strong. Leave it on for about 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. This helps to open up your pores and ensure all the goodness is absorbed. Repeat 2 to 3 times a week for a brighter complexion. Consistency is key to seeing the best results, so make it a part of your regular skincare routine. Trust me, your skin will thank you. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. This next remedy is a classic. We're using gram flour and turmeric. Gram flour gently exfoliates dead skin cells, key to removing tan. Turmeric has anti-inflammatory and brightening properties. Combine 2 tablespoons of gram flour with a pinch of turmeric. Add milk or water until you have a smooth consistency. Massage this paste onto your skin in circular motions, focusing on tanned areas. Once dry, scrub it off with warm water. Use this mask once or twice a week for baby soft skin. Aloe vera, the soothing tan soother. Aloe vera is a miracle worker for sun-exposed skin, soothing and hydrating. This succulent plant has been used for centuries for its healing properties. It also helps remove tan with its natural enzymes and antioxidants. These powerful components work together to repair and rejuvenate your skin. For this remedy, use fresh aloe vera gel. Fresh gel is more potent and effective compared to store-bought versions. If you have an aloe vera plant, extract the gel from a leaf. Simply cut a leaf, slice it open, and scoop out the clear, soothing gel. Apply a generous layer to your tanned skin, massaging it in until absorbed. Make sure to cover all affected areas for maximum benefit. Leave it on for about 20 minutes, then rinse with cool water. This allows the gel to penetrate deeply and work its magic. Your skin will feel soft, supple, and refreshed. Regular use can help maintain a healthy, glowing complexion. Aloe vera is a must-have for sun care. Incorporate it into your daily routine to protect and nourish your skin. Cucumber. Cool as a cucumber. Cucumber is naturally cooling and hydrating, soothing inflammation and redness. This humble vegetable is not just a salad staple but a skincare hero. It contains vitamin C, which brightens skin and fades dark spots. The antioxidants in cucumbers help combat free radicals, promoting a youthful glow. Slice a chilled cucumber and rub it directly onto tanned areas. The cooling effect is immediate, providing relief from sunburn and irritation. The coolness feels amazing and the juice works its magic. It penetrates the skin, delivering hydration and reducing puffiness. Alternatively, juice a cucumber and apply the juice as a toner. This method ensures that your skin absorbs all the beneficial nutrients. Soak a cotton pad in the juice and wipe it over your face and neck. This simple routine can be a refreshing addition to your daily skincare. Refresh your skin and lighten tan at the same time. With regular use, you'll notice a significant improvement in your skin's texture and tone. Outro: embrace your natural glow. That's it for today's home remedy tips. We've covered everything from brightening lemons to refreshing cucumber. These remedies are all natural, gentle, and easy to incorporate into your routine. Try them and let us know in the comments which one worked best for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more natural skincare tips. See you next time.